Can a child be diagnosed with anxiety? Yes, a child can also experience anxiety like adults, but their manifestation of anxiety will be different from adults. Usually in case of a child, the anxiety manifestations are different from that of an adult. Very common is separation anxiety, which we can see from a very childhood. Let's say as simple as going to school. Often the first day of going to school, a child usually cries. There is an impending fear of being separated from the parents. The anxiety manifestations can also be in terms of somatic symptoms like stomachache, headache, or digestive issues. They are often unable to pinpoint and tell you the exact causes of anxiety. Identifying the early signs and stressors help us to formulate the right intervention plan, which therefore help us to manage the child's anxiety. How to help someone with anxiety? Each one of us have a role in helping a person suffering from anxiety. From your family members to your friends to your colleagues to even to mental health professionals. There are few basic things one can do to help themselves from suffering from intense anxiety. One would be basic relaxation techniques that can be performed at home itself. When a person gets intense anxiety attack, often known as panic attack, the key is to be patient. It will subside. Often the person gets fearful that he or she is going to get an cardiac arrest. It is not an cardiac arrest or any form of extreme physiological distress. It is a panic attack which will subside on its own given some time. In such a case, breathing exercise can be extremely helpful. For the caregivers, they can also act as co-therapists at home. One can be by giving them the physical space, not to overcrowd them. Give them ample space so that there is free flowing of oxygen. They often feel claustrophobic at this situation. Second, not to ask them too many interrogative questions. The person usually will take some time to calm down, get into their logical reasoning, and therefore address the causative factors or the stressors that led to extreme anxiety reactions. We at Cadabums provide services both to the patient and to their caregivers. For the patients, we provide long-term and short-term management of their anxiety, and for their caregivers, which is often their family members, spouse, parents, siblings, we give them tips to how to help the patient combat anxiety symptoms as well as their own caregiver stress. Experienced family therapists at Cadabums help the family members and the patients to overcome this process and help them through this journey of treating anxiety. How to overcome anxiety? Anxiety is treatable. The reasons for anxiety for each individual is different. Therefore, we have to identify the individual stressors. But the main forms of treatment would include pharmacotherapy, psychotherapy, and environmental changes or lifestyle management. If all these three are combined together, then the efficacy of the treatment is at its optimal level. So if the person is having intense physiological reaction to anxiety, let's say panic attacks, which often feels like a doomsday, then definitely pharmacotherapy is required. The psychiatrist will be helping you with medications that help you to calm down and bring your anxious thought to a much lesser level. With psychotherapy, which is another very important form of therapy, is to address the causative factors that led to this anxiety symptoms. It is often your thought process which contribute towards it. In this case, we analyze, we understand what is causing anxiety, your coping mechanisms, and address it. Next comes the environmental management. In this, the practical aspects of it. Let's say working in a unfriendly work environment, what can be done in such a situation, or unhealthy lifestyle practices that can be altered. So all these three mechanisms or treatment options can be used to address anxiety, therefore bring it to a very normal level which doesn't hamper your day-to-day functioning. We at Cadabums realize that each individual has different stressors, and therefore we provide a personalized treatment for it. We look into the various stressing factors and formulate a plan which caters to the individual's needs.